What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Make Money Monetizing. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube automation channel step by step. Step 1, choose a niche. The very first thing you have to do is choose a niche. All this means is you have to choose what category your channel's primary keywords will fall into. When you're deciding the niche of your channel, it's important that you choose a category that has a high CPM versus a low CPM. CPM stands for cost per milli, and it's the amount of money YouTube advertising will pay you per 1,000 views. For this reason, you want to target high CPM keywords like luxury or business rather than pranks or compilations. A lot of views do not mean a lot of ad revenue. If you're putting in all this work, then you might as well shoot for the highest payout. Another strategy that can be very profitable is building a channel around an affiliate link keyword. For example, you can create a channel in the pets category and make videos about pets and then go to ClickBank and promote all their different pet products on that channel where all your videos are already in the pet niche. Another way to use affiliate links is you can review products or services that you own or use and become an affiliate for those. If you're having trouble coming up with channel ideas, then something you can do is search a keyword on YouTube and filter by video count in the last month. Then you just go through each video and look for a channel that has low subscribers. High views and low subscribers is usually a sign that this category is still a trending topic and there could be a category to consider. It is also important to keep in mind how you will be creating your content. If you don't have money to start, then you're going to have to make the content yourself. If you do have money to invest, then you're going to outsource your content, which is ultimately the end goal. Depending on your category, the cost per video will vary, but I would aim to shoot anywhere between $50 and $100 for a full video and thumbnail. Once you know what category you're going to focus on and how you're going to make your videos, now you have to come up with a channel name. When choosing your name, I would highly recommend putting one of your keywords in the name and choosing something that rhymes or is easy to remember. Step 2. Now you're going to set up your channel. This is super easy to do, and there are a ton of tutorials on YouTube on how to do this, so I don't want to spend too much time on this, but you're going to create a new brand channel on YouTube. Make sure when you're creating the art for your channel that you are maintaining a consistent color scheme throughout the entirety of that channel. For my channel art, I use Canva because it's so easy to use and it's free. Next, you're going to verify your channel. This is important because you will need to be verified to be able to get accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program, and that's how you will make money on YouTube. YouTube guides you through the process, so just follow the steps. Once you have chosen the main keywords your channel is going to focus on, now you can type different variations of that word into the search bar and look for video ideas. Or you can use actual statistical data to come up with your video ideas, but you will have to pay for it. vidIQ is a keyword research tool that will be absolutely necessary, so I highly recommend investing in this as soon as possible. Myself and thousands of other YouTubers use this tool for every single video that is posted, so for me it's an absolute must. Link is in the description, as well as a link to Matt Parr's free webinar where he goes over the secret keyword process using vidIQ. So if you're interested in vidIQ or the secret keyword process, then definitely go check this out in the description. Either using vidIQ or YouTube search filters, you're going to come up with a minimum of 33 videos. At around 33 videos, this is when you start to see if you're on the correct path or not, so you must be patient when building your channel. I truly believe that if you really focus on creating quality content, then you should see results sooner, but just keep in mind that making 25 plus videos without nothing is normal. Step 3, create your first 33 videos. If you're making the content yourself, then these are the things you're going to have to do. Create a title and a thumbnail, write a script, record voiceover, gather, download, and organize content on an external hard drive so your computer doesn't run slow, edit video, upload, and optimize. If you're outsourcing the content, then you're going to have to look for a team on freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. I have also found that going directly onto Twitter and messaging editors is an easy way to get good deals. Your team members are going to include thumbnail artist, scriptwriter, voiceover creator, video editor, and eventually you're going to want a content manager, but in the beginning you will play that role. To stay organized, I recommend using Trello right off the bat, even if you're creating the content yourself. Eventually, all you want to have to do is post video titles for your team, and they reply with a completed video. Step 4. Upload videos. Every video you upload, you're going to first upload as private. Once you post a video, you want to leave it forever, so you want to make sure that everything is correct the first time. This is where you're going to optimize your videos for the YouTube algorithm to understand who to show your videos to. Your keywords should be in your title, description, and video tags. If you're making the content yourself, then you're going to want to upload the content as soon as you can. If you're outsourcing, then you're going to want to create a schedule that coincides with your monthly budget. Step 5, optimize your channel. Whether you are creating the videos yourself or outsourcing, you should be looking at your analytics weekly and adding new titles to your video ideas list. Keep going down your list until you see a video start to pick up traction. Then once you see traction on a video, you will find other titles in your videos list that use similar keywords and create those videos to carry over that momentum. And that is the end of this quick tutorial. If you would like to see how my very first YouTube automation channel performed in its very first year of monetization, then check out this video right here. And if you'd like to reserve your seat with Matt Parr, who taught me everything I know, then sign up for his free webinar in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one.